All right, here we are, looking for a leak. I'm spraying soapy water on this tire. Apparently it'll bubble and show you there's a leak. So hopefully we'll find it. Not finding nothing yet. I don't know. I can't find anything on here. Oh, I think I found a leak. Yeah, this is, I don't know, spray some more water on that. Soapy water. Oh yeah, look at the bubbles. It's gotta be leaking there somewhere. I bet it's in here. Oh, yeah, there's gotta be a leak in there. I think that's where the bubbles are coming from. All right, well, I guess we'll get this all cleaned off and put a plug in it. That's tire repair.